Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Netmirror with an administrator account. Make sure two-factor is completed if required. Once logged in, go directly to the main menu, choose System, then Preferences or Settings. This is where language options live. You should back up the current configuration now so you can revert if needed. Once that backup finishes, proceed to the Interface or Localization tab. Those labels vary by build, but this is the first actionable spot to change language settings. Once inside Localization, open the Language dropdown and pick the target language. You may also select a locale or region variant to adjust formats. After choosing, click Apply or Save. This triggers Netmirror to swap resource files and interface text. Make sure to accept any prompts to download language packs or restart services. Some builds require pulling translations from the server. If asked, confirm replacing only interface text and not system logs or data formats. You finish by restarting the Netmirror service or web front end so new language files load correctly. Make sure to clear your browser or app cache and then sign out and sign back in to view the updated UI. Verify labels and date/number formats across key screens. If some strings remain unchanged, check that the language pack installed successfully and review the system logs for missing resource errors. If necessary, reapply the language pack or restore the config from your backup and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.